That's like telling your doctor you technically don't have a fever, but you're still coughing blood. The good news, inflation isn't running away anymore. The bad news, it's plateaued at a level that still makes Jerome Powell's eyelid twitch. If you're a normal person, this means your rent isn't going down, your food bill won't get better unless you start milking your own cow. Gas is cheaper now, but don't get too comfortable. Oil prices are like your ex, they'll come back when it's least convenient. Wall Street's reading this report like tea leaves. Scenario, if it stays like this, the Fed holds rates steady for now. Markets get a light relief rally, but no champagne corks. Scenario, if inflation ticks back up next month, the Fed stays hawkish, stocks tank, bonds sell off, and Twitter finance bros start passing, "We're so back, bro" memes, ironically.